Well, this doesn't look very good. It will be interesting to fix, to say the least. Hello everyone and welcome back to another update. It has been some time since my last update, but I had to do some other things in real life that took some time. However, that is now completed and I can keep working on the game as usual, which is also soon to be finished. And this update will be about the new changes and additions to the game from the past couple of weeks. Won't take too long though, since most of the functions are implemented already and working as they should. I am mostly changing some values here and there and fixing bugs at this time, so this will be a shorter video. And of course adding the levels one by one. But here and there are some new things that I can add. Let's begin with the new levels, and they will all be in the new winter biome. And other than just adding more levels, I'm also adding at least one actual puzzle that needs to be solved. I'm looking for more types of puzzles to implement, but it's quite hard to find something that would go well with this game, but I will have to figure something out for the end product. Other puzzles will be quite easy to solve, or rather, just pull a lever and something happens. That's the best so far I can think of. In the winter levels, you might find some ice, and running on ice is usually slippery, so I had to add that effect, which can make for some interesting challenges. Other than adding the new levels, there is also a new enemy I have shown before, the wolf. And the wolf is working as intended and can run quite fast towards the player, so do not underestimate this one. One thing I've been struggling to solve for some time is the lines that sometimes show up when you move around the levels. I managed to reduce it in the last update by changing how the texture corners worked when there should be no blocks at all, a transparent block so to speak. But it never solved the issue fully until now, at least I hope so. I haven't been able to recreate the visual bug again, however there's a lot of different types of phones and devices out there, so only time will tell if it's solved. I simply tried to change the amount of decimals for the values that handles the offsets values, and that seems to have done the trick. The values are still floats but get casted into integers before being used. Other than some minor bug fixes here and there and the new levels, I did change some stuff too. The UI buttons are now a bit larger, which makes it easier to use them, and of course you can still switch them back and forth. The spikes now make sounds when they are triggered. I'm not completely happy with the sound, so I might change it later, but I just want something in place for now. That was pretty much all for this update, as the last few updates I'm making won't contain too much of new stuff. Adding levels and working on any bugs that comes up is the main focus right now. I think there will be at least one more update for this game until it's completed. I still got some stuff to add that I have promised, some Easter egg for example. When this update hits, there should be a new updated version of the game on Google Play. Why don't you try it out and let me know if there's anything that needs to be fixed, and I will take a look at it. Until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day and take care. Bye.